Just brief.
Good afternoon. My name is Khushi. I'm from Pink City, Jaipur, which is also one of the most popular tourist destination in India. I am a qualified cost and management accountant. Recently cleared my CMA final exam. Moreover, gained good knowledge in taxation, costing, accounting, and goods and service tax from my internship in a CMA firm. Looking forward for my next big opportunity the focus of work and responsibility assigned to me. Apart from my work, I like to travel and spend time with my friends and family. I'm a self motivator and inquisitive person too. In addition, a sport enthusiast, particularly in table tennis. Also participated in national level table tennis during my school time as well as co curricular activities. I'm a person with a positive mindset and a giggle mug.
Okay. So, during your article, did MSM, is there any provision?
Yes, Section 43, subsection B, which related to payments to MSMEs, suppliers, and that if payment is not made within 15 days, then interest will not be allowed to be deducted from expense.
Interest
Yes,
or
expense
expense?
will be disallowed.
15 days is paid,
45 days.
15 or 45?
15 days, in 15 days you have to make payment, but 45 days is the rate, three times the rate decided by SBI.
By SBI. What is the role of SBI in this?
Basically, they fix the interest rate.
What is the meaning of MSME?
MSME is basically the micro, small, and medium enterprises, which is established by one our own ICMI, promoted by ICMI board, and this is created to promote suppliers and production holders to upscale their productions and operations.
There is recent change in the definition.
Um, they have changed the limit of investment and turnover. It is now for micro 2.5 crores investment up to 2.5 crores investment and turnover is up to 10 crores. For small, it is 25 crore investment up to 25 crore investment and 100 crores turnover. And for micro, it's sorry for medium, it's 125 crores investment and 500 crores turnover.
Are you sure about
Yes.
of turnover? Okay. You have done a stock verification as well. What is perpetual inventory system?
May I take a minute? Sorry, sir, I'm not sure about this answer right now, but I'll surely brush up my knowledge.
Khushi, amicable, ambitious. Okay. How can you prove that you are quite ambitious, except for your CMA, which you intend to do it and aspire to do it, and now you're sitting? Apart from CMA, what exactly makes you ambitious?
As I mentioned earlier, I'm a sport enthusiast. So I'm a state champion and district level champion, and also a champion in inter schools sports. So I thought I'm quite ambitious.
Do you know 10 to 5 job of a corporate sector would barely give you time for your enthusiasm, for your interests, or for your ambitions, apart from work and doing the monotonous work day by day? How are you going to change yourself to that? Or are you ready to change yourself for your career and we keep all these ambitions aside?
Being a beginner, it would be definitely difficult for me, but I'll definitely shoot up as a confident and good person to manage my work life with my work life balance. Yeah, there can be a regular on and off where I feel frustrated, but I know after a while I'll be fine.
What is more important, salary or profile?
Being a beginner, I like to start my career in a decent job profile where I can upskill my knowledge. But moreover, I should be satisfied with the work I'm doing. And yes, salary definitely plays an important role. So, whatsoever the salary should be according to my qualification, that I definitely expect.
Okay, Khushi. How many methods are there for value?
Sorry, I'm not sure about the exact number, but I've done it because I've done it in my internship period, which is quite around, I guess, 1 year before. So, not sure
You can
about it.
tell me name of the method.
Valuation of inventory. Sorry, ma'am, I'm not sure about it right.
In days deal.
In days,
What is deferred tax assets?
deferred tax asset is basically when you create a set, when you create a deferred tax asset, as in you have to pay tax on current tax period and your sorry, I got a bit confused.
What is red herring prospectus?
Red herring prospectus is basically a prospectus which is issued in which predetermined rata or pro rata allotment basis or something already mentioned.
Have you done GST registration?
Yes, ma'am.
So what the document required?
First, you will be required the legal name of the applier, as in who is applying for the PAN card of the legal applier, and principal place of business ke documents like electricity bill, and if it is for consent, then NOC, and if it is owned, then property papers are nowadays to be attached with it, and photograph of the recipient who is applying for the registration, and authorized signatory if any.
So have you used SAP FICO for general and
Yeah, quite.
tell me the procedure is made in
First, we have to post the park the entry, as in we have to enter and save the entry, which will not bring any impact on books of accounts. Then, to bring impact on books of account, we have to post the parked entry, and then it will be updated. And there is a workflow that once you park it, then it will go to your senior and he will verify it, and if all the things are correct, then he will post it. And this process also can be termed as internal check, that what work is done by one is checked by other.
what is the T code for park and post?
For park it is FB50, and for post it's FB03.
How will you calculate break even?
Break even point is basically when there is no profit and no loss, where I have to earn this much contribution which will cover my fixed cost.
Okay, Kushi, tell me what is IRR?
IRR is basically a discounted rate which is calculated so that initial investment will become equal to the present value of future inflows.
What is the benefit of calculating IRR?
So that uh, may I take a minute, sir? so that I have to discount my cash inflows from that rate, that at least my cost of investment or my initial investment would be covered.
Tell me about section
194J is for payment of professional and technical services. No TDS is up to rupees 30,000 aggregate if paid in a year, and the TDS rate is 10%.
Tell me about section Q.
194Q is for TDS on purchase of goods. It is levied if goods are purchased on value above 50 lakh, provided that the buyer's turnover in previous year is more than rupees 10 crore, and the rate is 0.1%.
Suppose if we have purchased values using for 2 years,
Then you have to reverse the ITC per quarter 5%.
quarter 5% reverse.
Yes, we are 2 years we have already claimed it, and for remaining 3 years we have to subtract it, and if we are purchasing another.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच खुशी। बात करते हैं आपके फीडबैक पार्ट के बारे में। कम्युनिकेशन और बॉडी लैंग्वेज वाइज तो आप सही है, टेक्निकल में थोड़ा सा लैग है, यू नीड टू वर्क अपॉन दैट। लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैंने रिवर्सल ऑफ, इसमें 5% पर क्वार्टर रिडक्शन और सेल वैल्यू उस पर बनने वाला जीएसटी विच एवर इज हायर टू पे, तो यू नीड टू रिवर्स जीएसटी। 94 क्यू और जे आपने ठीक बताया, आईआरआर थोड़ा सा आपने ठीक ठाक बताया, मतलब इस पे और आप वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं। डेफर्ड टैक्स असेट लाइबिलिटी आप श्योर नहीं है इस पे। वैल्यूएशन ऑफ इन्वेंट्री का इंडेक्स 2 है ना, मेथड्स फीफो लीफो ये भी नहीं बताते आपके। ओके ठीक है। एमएसएमईज 43 सबसेक्शन बी, 43 बी क्लोज एच है, कोई सबसेक्शन ही नहीं है, 43 बी एच है, और 15 डेज में पेमेंट करना है तो डिडक्शन मिलेगा, बट इफ देर इज एन एग्रीमेंट तो वो 15 डेज 45 डेज तक भी एक्सटेंड हो। एसबीआई का क्या रोल था इसमें?
सॉरी, मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई इस DTA वाले।
तो इसमें यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई भी रोल नहीं था। DTAA कहाँ से आ गया, वो तो बिल्कुल अलग है, तो चेक कर लें। ठीक है, ओवरऑल सही है, टेक्निकल पे हो।
थैंक यू सर।
टीवी फॉर्मेट थोड़ा और बेटर होना चाहिए, आपने कलर्ड बनाया होगा आई थिंक।
हाँ, वो उसकी
यहाँ
इंक
ब्लैक एंड
खत्म हो
व्हाइट,
गई
यहाँ
थी
तो कॉस्ट कट
उसे।
फॉर्मेट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में तो बहुत बेसिक।
ये कलर्ड ही निकलवाऊंगी मैं वो आज जल्दी।